Yeah, 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 I miss you, but I got no time for that, damn. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to be doing a hair review on this hair I have in my head right now. It's from this company called by Queenie. This hair was sent to me, and I've had it in my head for the past 3 weeks. So I'm going to give you guys my review on it, how I feel about it, etc. I'm going to tell you guys the pros, the cons on it, more about her company, and just stay tuned to look at the review if you're interested in this hair. So the company that I got this hair from is called by Queenie. She is based in Miami. She first started this company when she was in college because she wanted a way to make extra money. But then after she started the company back in 2014, she then moved on to wanting to have a company for women and girls to have affordable hair, because there are companies that sell affordable hair, but sometimes it's like Amazon or it's AliExpress, and sometimes you don't know who's a good vendor and who's not a good vendor. So she wanted to create a company that sold affordable hair, and you basically go through not as much of a hassle of basically putting yourself out there ordering and not getting what you really ordered. So basically all the hair that she has, she's done all the hard part by trying out different hair vendors and stuff. So this company is very put together. She's already did the hard part to ensure that we can trust the hair that she's selling. And they do carry 4 different textures on her website: straight, curly, loose curly, and body wave. The hair inches are 14 to 32 inches. They do sell frontals and closures. What I have in my head right now is inches 22, 24, 26, and a 20-inch closure. Yes, I don't have a frontal, I have a closure. And I'll show you guys the length of it on me, etc. I'm 5'1", so the hair goes pretty far down. This right here is my hip bone. So yeah, the hair goes pretty far down, and the hair is curled right now. This is the straight hair, but I curl it because I like curls in my hair, or etc. The hair does curl really good. I like the loose curls. I have a, I think, 1.5 inch barrel that I curl my hair with. And yeah, so basically I'm going to tell you some more of the pros and cons on this hair, and I'm also going to provide you guys with a coupon code that I'm going to put across the screen, probably right here or right here, that you guys can go order this hair. And I'll tell you like how much this hair was originally because it was sent to me.
Back to nothing, 'cause I'm just starting to learn. I've always been changed.
So the pros of this hair would be that it is very silky, and it can hold a curl for a very long time. I live in Washington State, which it rains a lot, and I wear my hair basically curled with a curling iron, and it holds really good, which I thought it wouldn't. But also another pro is it does not shed. The hair doesn't shed at all, which is kind of crazy to me because I brush my hair a lot and I take it out, and I don't always put it in the place that it should be. You know, sometimes you get home from work, you just want to just pull it off and throw it. That's basically what I do sometimes, and it doesn't even shed like when I wake up in the morning and I brush it or whatever. So that's another pro. It doesn't shed and it holds the curl well. I have not tried to put bleach in this hair, but I may try to do it. I'm probably gonna order some hair, and I'm probably gonna try to do it to show you guys like, does the hair bleach good, like if you wanted to get color in it or whatever. And another thing about the hair is it's very truly length, and the bundles are thick. So I had got 3 bundles, and you would think they would be thin because of the lengths are pretty long, but they were actually very long and thick, and I was really surprised by that. I really liked that about her hair. And also when I first got it, it didn't have a smell. The shipping was 5 days, and I'm all the way on the other side of the country from Miami. So the shipping was only 5 days. And what I can say is one of the cons is the hair is Brazilian straight, but the hair does not stay straight really well to me. If I straighten the hair, it ends up with like curls in it, or like it doesn't frizz up, it just curls up, like waves up really easy when you want to wear it. Like if you want your hair to be silky straight, it's probably not gonna get silky straight, but then again, it could be just because of the climate I'm in. But overall, this hair is really good. I've had it in for 2 weeks and it's honestly really good. It's like one of the best hairs I've ever had so far. So her Instagram page is called _QueenieTings. That is her personal Instagram page. I will link it in the description box and put it on the screen. And her hair page is crowned by _Queenie, and that's the page where she shows like our customers, our hair deals that she has going on, etc. And her website is crownedbyqueenie.net, which I'm also going to insert. All this information is going to be down in the description box, including what hair that I have in my head right now and the direct link to ordering this hair. I've had this hair inside of my head for the past 3 weeks. I'll insert the footage from when it first came in the mail. When it first came in the mail, it came in like a regular little package, and you would have got it if you was ordering something. Inside the package was these little dust bags. They were black, they were really nice. It came with a card that she puts you in there. And the setup is really cute. I still got the little dust bags. I can show you guys in a different clip. And when I got the hair, it didn't have any smell to it. And that's something I always look out for when I do order hair. Does the hair have a smell when it's delivered? So no, it did not have a smell to it. I did not wash it straight out the packet. So this is the hair not even washed. So yeah, I did not wash it or whatever. All I did was install it. The way I installed it was I did a quick weave wig. So I basically put the bag on my head, a shower cap, and then I put a dome cap on top of the shower cap, and then I sewed down my closure, and then I proceeded to glue the tracks up. And I will show you guys this method on how I do make my wigs for when I want to make a quick weave wig and I don't want to make an extra quick wig on my head. So I will show you guys how I do that in a different video with some different hair, because I will be changing my hair really soon, just because I want to try this kind of bob hairstyle. So yeah, I'll show you guys the method I use to make this wig. Is really easy, and instead of being like just a quick weave, I can remove it whenever I want to, which is really good because I like to be able to remove my hair. I like wigs more than sew-ins and quick weaves because I mean they're just more convenient, and I like to be able to wash my natural hair whenever I please. So yeah, this wig is a quick weave wig. The hair is curled right now. The hair curls really good. I can give you a close-up shot on the hair. This is the hair, like the luster of it. The hair is very, very, very silky. I don't have any hairspray on the hair, so I'm pretty sure if you put hairspray in the hair, your curls will last longer, but I don't have any hairspray on the hair. All I do is curl it and I tease it, and that's it. This is 3 bundles and a closure. And it's this thick, which is 3 bundles and a closure. This hair that I have in my head was originally $288. The shipping, it came, she sent it off to me on a Friday, and it came to me like on a Friday, kinda. So the shipping took a week, and it's probably because she's all the way in Miami and I'm all the way on the West Coast. So it's probably why it took so long. And if you guys are interested in this hair, you want to know more about this hair, just ask me more in the comments. If you guys want to see how it bleaches, maybe I can do that for you guys. And like I said, I'll link all of her company's information in the description box, with a brief summary of her company, etc. in the description box. And you guys can use my coupon code, which is CITRUSSLAY. And I'll put that across the screen and in the description box. It's CITRUSSLAY. So when you order, you'll get 20% off your orders, no matter what you order. Okay, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. I'll answer them. And if you guys want a video on my braces, because I know, yes, I have braces, and some of you guys might be getting braces soon, or you want a video on your do's and don'ts to do with braces, I can do that for you guys. I've had them in my mouth since September. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
White coupe but a pecan, thick bitch Puerto Rican, take you out to Paraguay or California for the weekend. I'm with Sack and Juvie, so you gotta bring about 3 friends. Don't flex, don't pretend. You